नीमराना मैं पहली दफ़ा और यहाँ आके जो मैंने पाया है, मैं समझती हूँ कि मैंने बहुत कम जगह में देखा है। मैंने बहुत कम जगह में देखा है। ये सरकार की ओर से नहीं बन सकता, क्योंकि आजकल के जो महल हैं, कई तो महल हैं, खंडर कई तो महल सकते हैं, परंतु ये हमारे देश की धरोहर, देश की हम धरोहर हैं, हम मान सकते हैं। अगर इनको कोई बचाएगा नहीं, ये धरोहर भी शायद थोड़े दिन बाद ये धरोहर भी हमारी पूरी तरह से समाप्त हो जाएगी। ये काम सरकार नहीं कर सकती, क्योंकि जैसे नीमराना को फिर से इन चारों ने फ्रांसिस जी और अमन जी, ओपी साहब ने और लेखा जी साहब ने और लेखा जी प्रेम और प्यार के साथ फिर से तैयार किया है, इसको फिर से तैयार किया है, अपने पैरों पे खड़ा किया है। वो प्रेम और प्यार कोई भी सरकार तो दे नहीं सकती। इसको देख के मैं समझती हूँ कि इसको देख के और भी अगर प्राइवेट लोग आगे ऐसी जगहों को लेके उनको फिर से पुनर्जीवित करें, तो मैं समझती हूँ कि बहुत बड़ा काम हमारे देश के लिए और मैं नहीं समझती कि सरकार में हो सकता है।
ये पता चला कि इतनी खूबसूरत जगह, जहाँ ये वातावरण और जहाँ ये वातावरण महल जैसे लगता है। यहाँ आकर नाचने में इतना आनंद, इतनी प्रेरणा मिलती, जो वातावरण है, जो खूबसूरती है, जो देखकर एक कलाकार अपने आप ही आनंद मिलता है और वो आनंद मिलता है और वो उन्हें बहुत करने में अच्छा लगता है, बहुत यही होना चाहिए कि ऐसे जगह कलाकार गाएं मतलब और नाचें, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगा। No, it's not. इस मंच में यहाँ आकर इतनी आनंद मिला करने में, पुरानी जगह जहाँ पहले भी ऐसे ही होता था। डांस, संगीत यही प्रस्तुत होते थे महलों के अंदर, दरबार। तो यहाँ आकर हमको वही होता है कि जैसे वापस आए, यही ऐसे जगहों में होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो कलाकार है वो बहुत आनंद प्रेरणा मिलता है और उन्हें प्रेरणा मिलता है। यही होना चाहिए, यहाँ आकर डांस यही होना चाहिए, जो पुरानी इतिहास है वो वापस जिंदा हो जाए। I don't know. As somebody who's been involved in something palaces, in that kind of what do you think about this particular the Nimrani?
Well, let me just say on a personal level, having lived in palaces before, knowing the ambiance of the palace,
I won't give you the whole preamble, but basically, what are your impressions of this Nimrana?
I'd like to look at it personally to begin with. Having lived in palaces, for some part of my life, and I compare the two, I can't say that this is as such palace living as such, because it's not the sort of lived in home sort of experience that would have the two very different lives altogether. As an enterprise, this is something that I can only imagine. A government to fund or to go ahead and do. For ordinary people to get together and do something of this magnitude must be a labor of love, because you can see each stone, each room, and each corner. Carefully and lovingly cared for. That it's obvious that there is much more to it. There's much more to it than one would have expected of any commercial venture, where restoration was the primary aim. And I think that what Francis Aman, Lekha have done over here, most people of India should take a lesson from. Governments of India should take a lesson from. And try and put these beautiful places together again. Because once lost, I don't think that we will be able to recreate this kind of magic again.
Beautiful. Same thing in beautiful. Same thing in him. Yeah. Yeah. जी.
मैं महलों के मैं थोड़ा रहने के बाद महलों के माने you have to start that again, please, sorry. You have to start that again, please, sorry.
No problem. So what is your principal impression of this place?
Well, this is the third time that I've had the privilege of seen the progress, and I've seen the progress been made. That has been. Of course, it evokes the beauty of India, the beauty of India, the beauty historical of India, historical. But to me, especially, it symbolizes what can be done, restore to the old monuments. The old monuments. It is an ideal setting. It is an ideal setting to Indian music, Indian dance, as we've had here last night and this morning.
Cut. This is perfect. Cut. This is perfect.
Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice?
Yes. He's doing it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So in a nutshell, what do you think makes Neem Rana different?
You know, when I come here, I discover that the geometry of Neem Rana reminds me of the geometry Cycladic Islands in Greece. You have a narrow passage. It opens up heights. Different heights. It seems haphazard. But that's the beauty of it. This is, in a sense, architecture without architects. It has grown organically. It gives this tremendous sense of mystery, discovery at every corner. That's what I like about it.
Thank you. Thank you.
And you came here to study modern Indian.
अब इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, it was a beautiful experience, and I must say it's like history. Because in the olden days, of course, the dancers danced in courts, the rajas sitting, and I think what they've done with this fort is something beautiful, and to include dance or music and have it in the fort brings life back. And for me as a dancer, it was a great experience. I must say, I felt totally. It was a beautiful experience. The background and everything inspires, gives a great deal of inspiration to the performer.
Neemrana is sheer enchantment. Neemrana is sheer enchantment for anyone, but particularly every corner you turn, there's a new vision. What has brought this about is the genius of Aman and Francis, the great supporter of Opi and Lekha. But I realize how much has gone into work making this possible. And it's the detailing, the sheer perfection that you are never faced with anything that is visually wrong. Wherever you turn, it's such a joy, and it'd be wonderful. In fact, I was suggesting to Aman that we should have an art camp. Because I can't think of a more heavenly place or to be in, to work or to be in.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Perfect. Thank you very much. Only just one sound check. Just one sound check.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Rolling. Could you tell us what to your mind distinguishes this place from other places you might have visited?
Well, there's so many places I visited in India. Always so varied and so different. But this I think.
What to your mind is most special about
It's architecture. The fact that it's close to Delhi. The fact that it is beautifully done. And it really is an example of what can be done with Indian monuments. And also the fact that you come here and you have a very pleasant, but at the same time excellent food, which is not always the case in many of the hotels in India. I think you have this blending of European likes of architecture, wonderful landscape, the wilderness of India, and at the same time all the conveniences that we do like.
What about the sense of history? Where do you sense it?
Not just in this place, in every place. It sort of oozes. Out of its trees, its landscape, its people everywhere.
Thank you.
You want me to face like this, or you want me to face like this, or you want me to just look?
Rolling.